Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Aaron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifa teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The works of Ẹjì Elémèrè in the heavens. Story. One of the most important tasks carried out by Ẹjì Elémèrè in the heavens was that he performed divination for the dove and the swamp before they left the heavens. He also performed divination for the drying of palm fruits, Irónyin, in Bini. He was called Ùgbákùn and or Ugba, Yeke, dífáfún Kpákpá Kùùrú, the dove, or Ayele, Adífáfún Èrè, swamp, and Irónyin, dried palm fruit. He advised all three to offer sacrifice so they could live peacefully and healthily on earth. They were to sacrifice using an egg, the clothing they wore, eka, vegetable stems, akko, fermented cornmeal, and awo, also called abobo, a type of food offering. Only the dove and the dried palm fruit made the sacrifice as instructed. The swamp, Ere in Yoruba or Òkúrẹ in Bini, refused to offer the sacrifice. After this, they descended to the earth. Upon arriving in the world, the dove lived a very peaceful and healthy life, and every time it took flight, it always cried out, Ùgbákùn, dífáfún, Kpákpá Kùùrú Oúnyon, ìfání, Irónyin, Irónyin. This is the triumphant cry of the dove to this day, in which it gives thanks to Orunmila for having performed divination and sacrifice on its behalf, which allowed it to remain healthy and for progress to await it in the future. On the other hand, the dried palm fruit also dried properly and remained in good condition, while the swamp, which refused to make the sacrifice, has remained sickly and wet to this day.